Hello and welcome to my channel, The So-Called Travel Expert. In this video, we continue with our adventures in the beautiful village of St. Anton am Arlberg. So today is our third day in St. Anton and we've been lucky enough to have beautiful weather all these 3 days. So the plan today is to head off into the mountains. So I'm really looking forward to the day and I hope you enjoy it as well, as much as we do. So we are here at St. Anton and today we will head out into the mountains using the cable cars. So one of the advantage of having this summer cart, Zoma Carter, is that you can use it on one day for unlimited rides on all the cable cars in this region. And this summer card is free of cost as long as you stay more than one night in any of the hotels. So today we'll be heading up with the Galsik cable car. That's from here going all the way up till here, and then we will again do some hiking, this circular hike at the top, which is also said to be child friendly, family friendly. And from here we will head up using the second cable car to the high mountains, as you can see over here. And after that there is a third cable car which takes you right to the summit, the Valuga peak, which is 2,811 meters high. So that's quite a high mountain. So I hope the weather stays well and I'm really looking forward to this trip. So here's the price chart for the different cable cars, and if you wanted to head out to the highest point, Valuga Gipfel, which is Valuga Peak, that involves taking 3 different cable cars, and the full price for an adult for the ascent and descent is 32 euros, which, like I said, with the summer card is free of charge. So that's a good deal because for 2 adults you are saving 64 euros. That's a nice deal, I would say. So we are on our way up in the cable car, and thanks to the corona there are very few people in our cab. It's just the 3 of us in this entire cab, so that makes it very spacious as well. And have a look at the surrounding scenery. So there you can see the people hiking up on this child-friendly trail, and the view is just fantastic. If you like mountain sceneries, this is where you should really be. And here is an interesting bench in the shape of a wooden clip. Now that's what I call an Instagrammable spot. What a view. And even here on top of the mountain there was a children's play area. Chilling out now in the children's playground. They have a nice netting out here to lie down and just enjoy the sight. And here's the children's playground with a few activities. The rafting seems to be quite popular with those kids there falling into the water. And what's more is you can just lie down and admire the view. And we managed to bump into some cows as well, leisurely grazing at high altitude pastures. So we are here at a Morse code station and we've had a lot to walk. So I'm going to try and send a signal, try and make that out what it is. That's SOS. Luckily, we found our way back to the cable car soon after. The children's water park was just next to that lake on the left hand side. Interestingly, there was also a restaurant where you could have warm drinks and sandwiches. And that is the third cable car which takes you to the final destination, the Valuga Peak. It's a pity that all the snow had already melted, otherwise it would look outstanding. One of the advantages of coming a bit late in the day is the weather is much warmer and it's much less crowded compared to what it is usually in the morning. Turns out the last cable car going down is at 4 o'clock. So be careful that you don't wander off too far away, or you might just get stuck overnight, or worse, even worse, you might have to just trek down, which is really difficult to do. It's been a truly fantastic day. I have enjoyed it for sure. You can see the adventures that we've been up to. Highly recommended to visit St. Anton am Arlberg, well known as a ski resort. But even if you visit in the summer and if you are the adventurous type, there are many things to do.